Hello, buddy. Welcome to the Quiz. Get ready for the newest episode of Guess the Animal. Before starting, please subscribe to Quiz for more exciting quizzes. Easy level. What animal is known for its long trunk? Giraffe, elephant, or kangaroo? It's an elephant. Great job! You've nailed the easy one. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra, cheetah, or panda? It's a zebra! Stripes for success. You're on a roll. This animal swings from trees and has a long tail. Monkey, sloth, or koala? The answer is monkey. Monkeying around with success. Which animal is often called the king of the jungle? Tiger, bear, or lion? Well done, it's a lion. What animal is famous for its humps? Horse, camel, or rhino? Camel, you're cruising through the easy level. Which animal is known for its long neck? Elephant, giraffe, or penguin? Giraffe, tallest success. You're acing it. What animal has a big, bushy tail and loves nuts? Squirrel, raccoon, or fox? Squirrel, nuts about your success. Keep it up. Which animal can hop and carry a pouch? Deer, kangaroo, or cheetah? Kangaroo, jumping to success. You're unstoppable. What animal is black and white, lives in cold climates, and loves bamboo? Polar bear, penguin, or panda? Panda, positively fantastic. You're cruising. Which animal is known for its long ears and loves carrots? Elephant, rabbit, or koala? Rabbit, hopping success. You've aced the easy level. Medium level. What animal is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale, elephant seal, or dolphin? Blue whale, whaley good. You're diving deep. What big cat, known for its robust build and distinctive golden yellow coat with dark rosettes, is native to the Americas? Leopard, lion, or jaguar? Jaguar, majestic roar. You're on the prowl. What animal is covered in armor-like scales? Armadillo, anteater, or pangolin? Pangolin, scales of success. You're well protected. Which animal is famous for its long, sticky tongue? Chameleon, anteater, or frog? Anteater, tongue-twisting success. You're slurping through. What animal is often called the gentle giant and has a long neck? Elephant, giraffe, or hippopotamus? Hippopotamus, gently powerful. You're making a splash. Which animal can rotate its head almost 360 degrees? Owl, parrot, or hawk? Owl, owlfully impressive. You're wise. Become a subscriber and join our quiz journey. What animal has a prehensile tail and can hang upside down? Lemur, sloth, or opossum? Sloth, hang in there. You're doing great. Which marine mammal is known for its playful behavior? Dolphin, seal, or walrus? Dolphin, flippering fantastic. You're swimming smoothly. What marine creature has a cartilaginous skeleton instead of bones? Blue whale, dolphin, or shark? Shark, brilliant. You're climbing high. Which African mammal has a long, tubular snout and large, rabbit-like ears? Aardvark, anteater, or armadillo? Aardvark, amazing job. You're on fire. Hard level. What large herbivorous mammal is known for its thick, protective skin? Rhino, elephant, or hippopotamus? Rhino. Which bird is known for imitating human speech? Eagle, crow, or parrot? Parrot, talking the talk, you're flying high. What animal has a long, spiral horn on its head? Unicorn, narwhal, or rhinoceros? Narwhal, horn of success, you're diving deep. Which animal can change its color to blend in with its surroundings? Chameleon, cuttlefish, or octopus? Cuttlefish, camouflaging champion, you're blending in. What animal is known for its sharp quills that it can shoot in defense? Porcupine, hedgehog, or echidna? Porcupine, quilltastic, you're spiking to success. Comment on your score and let's compare. Which big cat is known for its distinctive black markings around the eyes? Jaguar, ocelot, or cheetah? Cheetah, spotted success, you're sprinting ahead. What animal is often called the honey bear and has a keen sense of smell? Grizzly bear, sloth bear, or panda? Sloth bear, bear white good, you're navigating well. Which bird is known for its long, slender bill and exceptional fishing skills? Pelican, heron, or kingfisher? Kingfisher, fishing fantastic, you're diving deep. What animal is the largest living primate? Orangutan, gorilla, or chimpanzee? Gorilla genius, you're a powerhouse. Which animal is known for its ability to mimic the sounds of other animals? Lyrebird, mockingbird, or nightingale? Lyrebird, mimic master, you're singing success. Impossible level. Which animal is known for its elaborate, colorful scales and is often kept as a pet in aquariums? Goldfish, betta fish, or discus fish? Betta fish, betta brilliance, you're swimming with the fish. What marine mammal is recognized for its large tusks, which are actually elongated canine teeth? Walrus, beluga whale, or narwhal? Walrus, Arctic explorer, you're chilling with success. What animal is the largest living reptile and is known for its powerful bite? Alligator, crocodile, or Komodo dragon? Crocodile, jaw-dropping success, you're a reptile expert. Which bird is known for its courtship dance and vibrant plumage? Peacock, flamingo, or cassowary? Peacock, dance sensation, you're strutting your stuff. What animal is known for its ability to fly backward and hover in midair, often attracted to flowers? Hummingbird, sparrow, or finch? Hummingbird whiz, you're hovering high. Which animal is a member of the weasel family and is known for its playful behavior and sleek fur? Ferret, mink, or stoat? Stoat ally correct, you're sleek and sly. What animal is a member of the feline family, has distinctive tufted ears, and is native to cold regions? Lynx, bobcat, or cheetah? Lynx legend, you're prowling through the challenges. Which animal is a small, nocturnal primate native to Madagascar, known for its large, reflective eyes? Bush baby, lemur, or tarsier? Tarsier triumph, you've ventured into the impossible. What domesticated mammal is known for its distinctive single-toed hooves and a flowing mane and tail? Donkey, horse, or zebra? Horse, well done, you nailed it. Which large Asian antelope is distinguished by its striking blue-gray coat, long horns, and a white facial mark? Buffalo, cow, or nilgai? Nilgai, bravo, you've got a keen eye for wildlife. Pick your next challenge, and don't forget to like and subscribe.